A viewer recently asked, what is better for drying a flow haircut? Using your hands to blow dry it or my best and favorite vent brush? So I'm going to put it to the test and explain to you the differences between using a vent brush and your hand to blow dry it. Let's go. Now, I will say, in my experience as a professional hairstylist for over 30 years, there are times where I will use my fingers or my hand to blow dry it, and a lot of times that's how I'm starting off the blow dry. I'm literally just using my hands to rake it back and get that form and start building and removing that excess moisture. Then I'll go in with the vent brush to finish up the shape. However, if I were to blow dry one side fully with just my fingers and the other side with the vent brush, would I normally do that? Probably not. It's either going to be one or the other or a combination, but let's see the results. All right, this is the side of just using my fingers. I didn't brush through it or nothing. So I can confirm, and this is from being a stylist for so many years, is when you're blow drying with your fingers and just using your hands only, you are able to get a lot of volume and shape because you can lift from the root area. However, what happens is, because you're kind of limited to just the root area, you're going to end up burning your fingers if you try to get that shape. So a lot of the outer layer of the hair is literally just kind of like grazing through it like this. So that's why I say I use both. I rarely ever just use my hands unless the hair is so silky and smooth that it just falls right into place. Now, what I will do is I will use the vent brush to comb through this. And this is just to get the knots out. And that's another thing with utilizing the brush, is as you're blow drying, you're able to get those knots out. So that's another advantage. So as you can see, just by brushing through it, I got a pretty good result. So yes, can you do this with just your fingers the entire time? You can. It's going to give it a bit of a more kind of natural shape, and you're able to utilize your fingers more for building volume. So now I'm going to do this side with the vent brush, which is right here. This is my anti-static vent brush. Let's get this hair out of the way, and let's begin this side. All right, so this side is complete now with the brush, as you saw. And what I like to do is I can actually run my fingers through it after the brush. And I mean, literally, it was probably half the time as far as blow dry speed compared to, this side with my fingers and then this side with the brush. And you could see already that the brush side, the anti-static vent brush, and this is available, it's my favorite vent brush and styling brush of all time. This is my actual mold. So this is my own branded brush. So it's got the rubber grip handle, which I love for control, and then the anti-static, which means if you look, it's not, your hair isn't flying all over the place. A lot of brushes, you go like this and the hair's staticky. So the difference you could see is, one, the blow drying time was cut in half, and then as I'm using the brush, I'm able to smooth out the hair at the same time and kind of really put in that shape, which is why we as professionals use brushes. And then what we tend to do is go in and then style it with the hands like this, as compared to, the side, just the fingers. Is it okay? Yeah, sure. I mean, it looks fine. It's harder to smooth out those ends. If you're looking, say you have drier hair, it's a bit more difficult to really get that texture in, or that smoothing properties. That's why if I brush through it like this, you'll see it kind of puts it into place. So, can you get away with it? Of course. But I really hope that you saw the biggest difference as far as just the results, the drying time. You could see, again, if I just comb this down like this, look how smooth and polished this side is as compared to this side. It's a bit, it looks okay, but it's just not as smooth as far as, the strands themselves. So again, you can use this brush. Also, the blow dryer I used is my blow dryer, which is available only in the United States. I don't even have that many left. So as much as I want you to buy them, going out of stock is going to be somewhat of an issue. So let me know if you enjoyed this comparison. Let me know if you have any comments, and I will see you. If you'd see all the way here in the wide camera, I'll see you next time for more videos. Keep the comments coming and the requests. I'll see you soon.